Dear friend, my granddaughter's birthday dream turned into a birthday nightmare. And the harmless roller coaster ride turned into a near-fatal heart attack. As we rounded another curve at breakneck speed, I was slumped over the safety rail, gasping for air, while my granddaughter screamed for help. Moments before we were laughing and having a great time. However, seconds later, my high blood pressure threatened to not only take my life, but to leave a mental scar on my precious grandson forever. I never thought this would happen to me. In fact, just a week before, I had run a 5-kilometer spot. I looked great for 56 years and felt even better. But it wasn't enough. Little did I know there was something dangerous lurking in my blood. CardioShield was specifically formulated to treat the main cause of high blood pressure, superoxide anion, also known as rogue blood pressure molecule. It does this using extracts from powerful plants like hawthorn, olive leaf, green tea and garlic. They've all been shown to help maintain healthy blood pressure and protect blood vessels from damage. The biggest benefit people experience is a significant drop in blood pressure, improved circulation and better heart health. At the same time, people report having more energy, more confidence and a more positive outlook on life.